Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C++ programming tutorial guys. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the for loop, insane for loop. A for loop is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a loop that executes a specific number of times. As that what a for loop definition says. Let me tell you the syntax of for loop guys. Here it is for loop. On the first we have to write its initialization, I-N-I-T, initialization. Then on the number second we have to write the condition inside the for loop, then the increment or decrement operator which we have to write, but we don't need to add a semicolon after increment or decrement operator. This initialization step is executed first and does not repeat, and the condition is evaluated and the body of loop is executed if the condition is true. Here the increment statement updates the loop control variable every time when the loop executes. Then here this loop body repeats itself, only stopping when the condition becomes false. You have to write the statement if you want to write some statement inside your for loop. This is actually similar to while loop but a little bit different. We need to define everything inside these parentheses of for loop. We don't need to write initialization, condition, increment in. We just need to write condition inside the parentheses of the while loop, but in for loop we have to write all these three things. So let's take a example. Let's see a example of a for loop. Let's take the same example to print numbers from 0 to for example up to 10. Okay, let's declare let me tell you, you can declare a variable everywhere in C++, but not in C programming language. Always remember this thing. Integer a equals to 0. Let's consider it a less than equals to 10. Increment a by a plus plus. Now let's print it. See, this is which I want, and compile and run it. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's what we got guys. That's how the for loop works. That's how loop works. That's how loop reduces your work and makes you feel happy. You can also use decrement operator. For example, if you want to print from 10 to 0, you can do that by using decrement operator. Let's do it. Compile and run. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Sorry, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. That's how the for loop works. When a decrement operator is inserted, you can also assign two conditions if you want to. Okay, let me tell you about the two condition thing. A can be greater than equals to 0, but not less than equals to 9. But not equals to 0. Now let's try to run it again. Here you can see the output 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 0 got not printed here because I added one more condition with this condition. So you can also add more than a single condition if you want to add inside a for loop. There are many other things you can do with using for loops. That's how a for loop works. That's how C++ programming works. I hope you understood about the for loop. If you have any question or query regarding to for loop, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for getting updates, for getting notified on every single video on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.